Right now, international businesses are paying out $25 to $100 for simple document translation and localization. You don't need to speak multiple languages, and you definitely don't need a degree in linguistics to get a piece of this action. In fact, you can do this entire side hustle from anywhere in the world using two completely free tools that you already know, Google Translate and ChatGPT. But if you just copy and paste raw text into Google Translate, you will fail. It will sound robotic and probably have massive grammar mistakes. The secret is combining it with the advanced contextual intelligence of ChatGPT to create a flawless, triple-check system. In this video, I'm showing you the exact strategy to land these clients, the exact copy and paste prompts to use, and how to lock in a consistent $50 a day. First, let's understand why this market is so massive. Millions of companies in places like the US, Europe, and Asia want to sell their products globally. They want their websites, mobile apps, and marketing blogs to be read in Spanish, French, German, or Arabic. Hiring a traditional translation agency costs thousands of dollars. On the other hand, if they use basic, outdated AI translation, it sounds completely unnatural to native speakers. That is the exact gap you are going to fill. You aren't positioning yourself as a basic, low-cost translator. You are an AI-assisted localization editor. You bridge the gap between fast machine speed and natural human expression. Let's look at the exact workflow. Never do a literal, word-for-word translation. Instead, we start with Phase 1, the ChatGPT Deep Translation. To make this work, you cannot just say, "Translate this." You need to feed ChatGPT a high-converting priming prompt. You will copy and paste this exact prompt into the tool. Act as a native professional translator and localization expert. Translate the following text into the target language. Keep the tone highly professional, ensure it uses regional industry terms, sounds completely natural to a native speaker, and strictly avoid literal word-for-word translation shortcuts. Look at how ChatGPT handles this. Because it understands slang, local context, and corporate phrasing, it rewrites the text so it actually flows beautifully for a native speaker. To guarantee 100% accuracy so your client gives you a 5-star review every single time, we move to Phase 2, the Google Translate context check. We take that exact ChatGPT output, paste it into Google Translate, and reverse translate it right back into English. By reading the English version generated by Google Translate, you can instantly see if the original meaning, sales intent, or tone of the client's document was lost. If a specific sentence looks strange or reads awkwardly during this reverse check, you catch it instantly, tweak it, and ensure your final delivery is flawless. Finally, Phase 3 is formatting. You don't want to hand a client an unorganized block of text. You will ask ChatGPT to organize the verified text into whatever layout your client requested, whether that is a clean spreadsheet, side-by-side comparison tables, or an organized bulleted list. Now, how do we actually turn this into a consistent $50 a day? Method number 1 is creating specific, high-intent gigs on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Do not create a generic gig that says, "I will translate English to Spanish." There are millions of those, and you will get buried in the search results. Instead, specialize. Name your gig, "I will translate and localize your mobile app description into flawless Spanish." Or, "I will proofread and format your English AI content into natural German." When an international client sees a specialist who targets their exact problem, they gladly pay premium prices. Let's look at some perfect examples of people doing translation jobs on Fiverr. First, let's head over to Fiverr.com. I'll click on the Writing and Translation category to find some great examples. As you can see, all of these people specialize in translation services, and interested clients come here to hire them for translation projects. Let me click on one of these profiles and take a closer look at their details. Now, let's look at the number of orders this person has received. Wow, this is amazing! As you can see, this freelancer has completed more than 1,300 orders from clients all around the world. Let's calculate how much they earn from a single order. As you can see, there are different packages that clients can choose from. For this example, let's use the standard package, which costs 54.44 Singapore dollars. According to Google, one Singapore dollar is approximately equal to 0.77 US dollars. If we multiply 54.44 by 0.77, we get approximately 41 US dollars. That means this person earns around $41 for each standard order they complete. Now, imagine multiplying that by 1,300 orders. That comes to approximately 53,300 US dollars in total earnings. That is absolutely mind-blowing. The best part is that this person started exactly where many beginners are today, with no clients, no reviews, and no proven track record. They built their profile, delivered quality work, earned positive reviews, and gradually grew their income over time. This proves that translation is not just a skill, it can become a real source of income. If others can build a successful freelance career from translation, there is no reason why you can't do the same. Stay consistent, keep improving your skills, and take action. Your first client could be the beginning of an incredible journey. Method number 2 puts you in total control without waiting for clients to find you. The bad translation pitch. Go to the App Store or foreign Amazon listings and look for apps or products with terrible, robotic English descriptions. Copy their bad text, run it through your ChatGPT and Google Translate workflow to make it perfect, and find the developer's contact email. Send them a polite message using this exact template. Hey, I noticed your app description sounds a bit robotic in English, which might be hurting your global conversion rates. I took the liberty of rewriting the first paragraph perfectly for you to see the difference. I can manually localize the rest of your app pages for just $30. Out of 10 developers you email, at least 1 or 2 will gladly hire you because you've already proved your value up front. As always on this channel, I like to keep it 100% real with you. Is this going to make you rich overnight? Absolutely not. It takes a bit of time to set up your profiles, scan listings, and pitch to businesses daily. But if you remain consistent, securing just 1 or 2 small localization tasks a day easily hits that $50 mark. The biggest trick to winning long-term is speed. Businesses value their time above everything else. If you can deliver a project in 12 hours using this fast AI workflow while traditional agencies take 3 days, you will get repeat corporate clients who will pay you week after week. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.